Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really exciting product to check out. It's the Level 8 Luminous textured carry-on. Huge shout out to Level 8 for sending this one out today. I've always wanted to get my hands on one of these larger ones that's a bit larger than a normal carry-on. I'm excited to check this one out. So let's get right into it and let's see what this one has to offer. So I'm just going to put those features up as usual on the screen here. Just have a quick read through it and pause the screen if you have to. So let's start with the exterior. You could probably already notice that this design is fairly simple, very sleek. It is all about durability. The hard shell is made from Germany Bayer Macrolon polycarbonate, which is tough, anti-scratch and built to last. It also features a diamond texture on the surface to help minimize markings. The design is modern and minimalistic, nothing too flashy, but stylish enough to really stand out. Plus it's also incredibly lightweight, so it won't add unnecessary weight to your overall travel load. It is a fairly simple square shape with the Level 8 logo right at the front here and no additional other compartments or pockets. And then turning to the top here, you'll notice that there is TSA-approved locks, and setting them up is fairly easy. If you just follow the instructions in the included manuals, then you'll be able to figure it out fairly easy. The handles here at the top are comfortable to grip. It's fairly simple and it's very easy to grip with a bit of give once you start pulling on it. And then the zippers here, you do get the nice zippers here that are on the outer shell, which are smooth to open, which I could just demonstrate in a bit. On the right side here, you do get another carrying handle for a horizontal carry, and then on the left side you do get rubber stubs right here that you could use to place the suitcase horizontally if you want, which is really nice. And you can see that it sits perfectly upright with no movement as well. The wheels at the bottom are super smooth. It does feature the Level 8 logo with yellow accents, which you can see right here. Fairly simple, and they do glide very smoothly, as you can see, with 360 rotation. And they are designed with shock absorbing design to handle bump to help ensure a smoother glide on rougher surfaces. So on the back it's just fairly plain as well, just the exterior hard shell, and there's really not too much to say about it. On the top here, there is a trolley handle, which is very smooth and sturdy and adjustable to multiple heights, making it suitable for people of all sizes. This one doesn't feel shaky at all or loose like some lower quality suitcases, so this actually feels quite nice. And as you can see, it's not too shaky, it's very sturdy, and you have multiple adjustment points. So we're back on the floor again, and I've run out of space to showcase to you guys. Unfortunately, have to move to the floor. But once you open up the suitcase, you'll notice that both sides feature mesh linings that help secure your belongings, preventing them from shifting or falling when you open it. This is a nice great touch, as the mesh is also breathable as well, which allows you to quickly see what you have stored inside as well. The zips that secure the compartments also feature some subtle branding, though I do feel that the zips could be a bit more smoother. It is a bit dry, if you would say, that it does feel a bit rough when you do unzip it, but it still functions quite properly. Regardless of that, it does do the job. And then you do see on the inside of this, we do have this X compression strap, which you could just unopen or open and then just tighten it down as well to secure it if you want. So fairly easy and straightforward. It does also have edge to edge storage, so you do feel that the telescopic bars are here, the structure, but other than that it's very edge to edge, so you will get the full capacity here, which is really nice. And then onto the other side, we have these two compartments here that are zippered. It does have a bit of give as well, so you could fit any fatter items in here or something a bit larger. They're both exactly the same. And then you do have the zipper area as well for storage. That is also included with an X compression strap. But this time on the front side of the suitcase, you do get this full edge to edge space, which is really nice, except for this part here. But other than that, you get this full capacity here that you could use to store all your items that you need. 65 litres in capacity, and you should be able to travel for a good amount of days with this suitcase. Considering you use the space wisely and to the best of your ability, you should be able to maximize these two spaces fairly well. So that's pretty much the interior already. It's fairly simple. Yeah, YKK zippers with branding as well. Nothing too crazy and a fairly simple design. Thumbs up to that. Now let's talk about the pricing, sizes and colours. The one I have today is a 65 litre 24 inch model. It comes in 3 other sizes. You got the 20 inch at 40 litres, 28 inch at 99 litres and another 28 inch at 105 litres. Be sure to double check the size you're interested in to make sure you do get the right one. I'll leave all the correct links below so you can check the sizing, dimensions and weight and for more information. It retails for $159.99 in the UK here. However, as of this video, there is a special spring sale with a limited time discount over at Amazon of up to 20% off, and if you actually use my exclusive code that Level 8 has provided me today, you'll get an extra 5% on top of the sales as well. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in picking one up. I'll leave everything in the description below. The suitcases are available in several colours, including a green, black, a blue, dark grey, white and light pink. There is plenty of colours to choose from, so you'll not be disappointed. Overall, in conclusion, whether you're heading on a short weekend trip or a longer vacation, this suitcase is designed to make your travel experience smooth and stress-free. When it comes to the price, this suitcase is on the higher end tier, so you should expect quality at this price point. I feel that Level 8 has delivered on that with a simple yet solid design. Despite its minimalist approach, the quality truly reflects in the price range. I'm excited to see how it does hold up over time, but everything about this feels well made. It's a less is more approach, but executed to a good perfection. I'm confident you'll get the durability and performance you expect from a suitcase in this price range. For me, it does check all the boxes for me. It's stylish, spacious and functional. For durability, time will only tell, but I'm expecting good things from this suitcase. But of course, there is a limited lifetime warranty, so make sure to review the specifics of what's covered by Level 8. It's great that they offer this cover to any potential defects or issues. Be sure to double check the details to fully understand what's included. If any problems arises, you can always reach out to them for assistance. In my opinion, having a warranty like this is always a good bonus when making purchases like this. A big thank you to Level 8 for sending this one out today. If you're in the market for a high quality ultra lightweight suitcase that can handle the rigors of the modern travel, this one is definitely worth considering, especially with the spring sale and the discount on at the moment. That's also very limited, so make sure to just check the links down below if you want to save a few bucks. And yeah, today's video is fairly simple, nothing too sophisticated as you can see for yourself. Just wanted to showcase this on behalf of Level 8 and let you know that this one could be your next potential travel companion. That's it for today guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to check out my other EDC content and subscribe for more videos like this. That's it for today guys, and have a good one. Thanks very much.